MeghalayaPost.news.
Jylla Meghalaya Mantakasngi kalasaki sa kawipat kasiyan jam kabakraw hakabay day bat ka internet bat mentawat sigi jaka kendong kensurot kibom judon internet mentakin sayo hadian baka sorkar jylla lembat ka Starlink India mantakasngi kilasoy lengba ka letter of intent kani kadi jing kmi lenting kabala slam jong kipay ba banyo ek internet kabastan lengba ki core satellite jong ka Starlink hakani kasngi kajing soy banyo ek internet kabastan haka jylla lasakiru daga jingdon lang ukonrat ki sangma menteri rengba ka jylla pulakmen rembui menteri ketanat Puli Putih ke jylla lembat ki officer sorkar katbana kaliang jong Starlink India lawan ban mi kemat dauka Gwyn Shotwell President and CEO SpaceX Lauren Dreyer Vice President Starlink Business Operations Uprabhakar Jaya Kumar Country Head Starlink India lembat ki.
So, Honorable Chief Minister, distinguished members of the government of Meghalaya, and esteemed officials. It is an honor, actually a true honor to join here with you today to formalize this letter of intent between Starlink and the state of Meghalaya. I've heard much about your beautiful state. I come from the state of Texas where it does not rain, and I've heard that your state rains the most of anywhere on the planet. So I am quite jealous of that benefit that you have there. And I genuinely look forward to visiting you in your state. The Starlink mission is to connect the unconnected or the poorly connected by providing access to reliable and high-speed connectivity available to communities throughout the states of India and around the world. This collaboration that we're about ready to sign represents what I believe to be a very important step towards that goal and reflects our shared commitment to advancing digital inclusion and infrastructure, both in Meghalaya and India at large. Your state has demonstrated remarkable leadership and vision in embracing our technology as a driver for equitable growth and opportunity. And through this partnership, we aim to complement those efforts by providing the capability to connect even the most remote areas, which I understand is your state, enabling education, critically with healthcare, and businesses to flourish throughout seamless access to information. We at Starlink deeply value this relationship and are committed to working closely with you and your government to ensure that this initiative delivers lasting benefits to your people. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to Your Honor, Chief Minister, to your team, and for their support and foresight in initiating this collaboration. We look forward to a productive relationship throughout the future.
So we just signed an MOU with Starlink. And the objective is to use the Starlink technology, which is a satellite-based internet services, to give connectivity to the remotest areas of our state. And as you are all aware that there are many areas, many blocks, many hospitals, schools, police stations, and other institutions and individuals that require connectivity, and sometimes it's not available. So through the SpaceX and the Starlink technology, without any optical fibers also, they will get directly connected through the satellite and they will receive high-speed internet services. Now this is a process, of course. It's just the beginning. It will take some time for it to fructify. Though we have signed an MOU, Government of India has a very important role to play. And obviously when the discussions and negotiations at the central level are complete, then Meghalaya is there to be at the front end to at least implement this in the northeast region as one of the first few states to do it. And therefore, this is a great beginning, and I am very confident that this particular project will help us in almost every sector, whether it is health, education, social sectors, or even administration, and even for our entrepreneurs and even for policing. So it's a great step, and we really look forward to it. And I would like to thank the President and COO, Ms. Gwyn, who had joined us online. She is the President and COO of SpaceX, and the Vice President of SpaceX, Ms. Lauren, as well as the Starlink India head, and others were there. So we're very happy with this MOU, and we hope that we'll be able to implement this at the earliest. It's a internet connectivity based on satellite. So obviously the areas which don't have connectivity, this will allow us to have connectivity to those remote locations where optical fibers or towers of different telecom companies are not there. This will particularly help in ensuring that the connectivity reaches to those people.
MeghalayaPost.news